Most DoorDash drivers make one huge mistake with cash advance apps. They pick the first app that promises instant money, then get hit with hidden fees, tiny limits, or repayment problems a week later. And in 2026, that mistake can get expensive fast. In this video, I'll show you the best cash advance apps for DoorDash drivers, which apps actually work well with gig income, and how to avoid the traps that keep many drivers stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Let's start with the biggest issue DoorDash drivers face: inconsistent income. Unlike traditional jobs, your earnings can change every week. One weekend might be amazing, while the next feels completely dead. That's why some cash advance apps reject gig workers or offer very low limits at first. One of the strongest options in 2026 is Empower. Many DoorDash drivers like it because approval is based more on banking activity than traditional employment history. So if Jake delivers consistently and receives regular deposits, he has a better chance of qualifying even without a regular salary. But here's the problem. Most drivers expect instant access to large amounts of cash right away. That usually doesn't happen. Apps build trust over time. Your advance limit often increases after consistent deposits and successful repayments. Another popular option is MoneyLion. It offers larger possible advances for eligible users and includes banking tools that some drivers find useful. For example, Alex uses DoorDash full-time and gets weekly deposits into the same account. Over time, MoneyLion may gradually increase his advance limit based on that income pattern. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some apps are designed specifically for gig workers and freelancers. Apps like Grid and Giggle Finance have become more popular because they understand variable income better than traditional lenders. This matters because DoorDash income rarely looks predictable on paper. This is where most people fail. They ignore repayment timing. Imagine John takes a cash advance during a busy weekend. Then repayment gets pulled automatically during a slow week when gas prices are high and orders are low. Suddenly, he's short on money again. That's why smart drivers always check repayment schedules before accepting advances. And here's another tip many people overlook. Instant transfer fees quietly add up. Paying $4, $6, or $8 repeatedly for faster deposits can eat into your earnings every month. In a minute, I'll show you the safest way experienced gig workers use these apps. The best strategy is using cash advances only for income-producing emergencies. Things like fuel, brake repairs, or covering insurance before peak delivery hours. That helps you stay working instead of falling behind. So which app is best overall for DoorDash drivers in 2026? If you want easier approval for gig income, Empower is a strong choice. If you want potentially larger limits and extra features, MoneyLion stands out. And if your income comes fully from gig work, gig-focused apps may fit your situation better. The important thing is choosing an app that supports how you actually earn money. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite app for gig work. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing the best instant cash advance apps with no credit check in 2026.